and the Purr and Go Rescue. Okay, kitties, while Amara's off getting us some special treats, who's ready for some Super Kitty training?
All right.
Nice rolling, buddy.
Smooth moves, Bitsy.
Go, bro. Sweet dismount, Sparks. Whoa. Your super claws are so awesome, Ginny. I'd love to be able to climb and flip like you.
Aw, thanks, Bitsy. Your boots are pretty possum, too. If I could run super speedy, that would be so fun.
It is.
All of our powers are meowsy. Too bad we only get to use our own.
I've been waiting for the perfect time to tell you all. I just finished working on a gadget that'll let us swap powers. Say hello to the Super Kitty Power Switcher.
Hello, Power Switcher.
Let's try it out. I'll set it so Ginny and Bitsy switch powers, and I'll switch powers with Buddy.
That tickles.
Let's see if it worked. Ginny boots, blast off! Ooh, that was trickier than I thought.
Don't worry, Ginny. You'll get it. Now, it's my turn. Paws out, claws out. Oopsie, kitty. Guess that was paws out, claws in a tree.
Super Kitty can't meow. Just like I planned it.
Guess it's my turn. Furball Blitz! How did you see where you're going, brother?
Buddy mind powers.